Hello everyone and welcome to You Are Unique Yoga. I am Marlene. Today we're going to do our 7th yoga asana known as Agnistambhasana, also known as the fire log pose. Let's come to a seated position. To a plank. Nice frank. Nice Sphinx pose here, slowly. Bend up your knees and come into and stretch. Look up, forward up, cross your legs, and sit into your sit bones. Now when we do this pose, you will be in a Sphinx. And first, let's just straddle out our legs a little bit, just to get our pelvis open up a little bit, so that we can get our hamstrings and our quadriceps really nice and comfortable. And we'll have our backs up straight. Your hands can be at your ankles, or you can touch your feet, your toes, whatever what's comfortable for you. And we're going to lower down slow, as far as you can go. That suits you. And you'll notice that your pelvis will tilt. It's fine. And lower down. Sort of like the chopper switch. The hamstring and lower down. You will feel it there as you lower down. And you slowly come down. Make sure your feet are flexed as much as you can get them. And hold on to your ankles as you come down. Have your head forward out. And slowly lower down. And take your time. It's no rush. If you find that it's too much for you, you can always come back up and sit up straight. Down. As far as you can go. And if not, you can come up and sit into staff pose. And you slowly come up. Take your time. And bring your feet together, your legs together. Now this is going to be a short video. Turn around so you can see how it is to staff pose as we do our fire log pose. You sit up nice and tall. You will have your feet, you can just stretch out a little bit if you feel. We're going to take our right leg, turn to the side slightly, bring it over on top of your left leg, right above the knee, right a little bit. And you're going to bring in the other foot, you turn to the side as well, and you bring in the other foot to meet the other knee. So it's a knee to knee pose. It's very similar to almost doing the lotus pose, but it's not exact, or even the half lotus pose. But it's the fire log pose. You sit straight. To get out of it, just take two hands, one out, another hand, move that out. And now we do the other. Leg up, bend it in, and bring the other, bend it right underneath the other. And there you have it, your fire log pose. And it's a really comfortable, nice pose you can use for meditation. You can use it for whenever you want to feel like sitting straight up. It's just a nice pose, and it's very easy and it's comfortable. I find it to be a very comfortable pose, and I like to use it sometimes when I meditate as well. And there you have it, the fire log pose. Hope you like this video. Just like and subscribe, and we see you next time on the mat. Namaste.